Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my large knotless braids. This video was part 2, and if you guys haven't already, go check out part 1 so that you can see how I pre-parted my hair to prepare for these knotless braids. I did end up using 6 packs of Kinkalon hair, and neither packs were pre-stretched, so I did have to pre-stretch them myself. And all I'm really doing is just plucking at the ends until the blunt ends are gone and uneven. As you guys can tell, I went ahead and knocked out a few braids, so we're gonna go ahead and get started to finish the rest. My hair is already pre-sectioned, so I'm gonna go ahead and take down that section and add some easy braids edge control to it, making sure that I get as much as the outer section as I can. As you guys can tell, it does look a little flaky, but I will show you guys how to fix that at the end. After I'm done applying the edge control, I'm gonna use my comb just to help the product lay my hair down. And then I'm gonna section that into 3 sections so that I could start braiding. I'm only gonna braid once, and then I'm gonna start feeding in 1 piece of hair. I feed in the hair by sliding it in between my index and my thumb and then continue braiding. But while braiding, I'm making sure that everything is still held nice and tight so that the braid won't go anywhere. I did feed in a total of 7. I did feed in a total of 5 pieces into this braid, but for each braid it is going to be different. They do range from 5 to 7 pieces, only because my hair is thicker in some parts of my head and not as thick in certain areas. Every now and then you guys will see me filling on the braid. Since I'm not able to see the back of my head, filling on it helps me make sure that it's the same size as the one next to it. When I get to my ends, I like to make sure I add some more edge control to the ends. Since my ends are in its natural state, I don't want my ends sticking out of the braid. So this is what everything's looking like so far. I'm gonna show you guys a few more braids before I show you guys the ending results. So this is what everything's looking like now that I'm done. I do have a total of 19 braids on my head, and I am completely satisfied with how it looks. This is actually my first time doing jumbo braids on myself, but I'm not quite done yet, you guys. If you take a closer look at my scalp, you'll see some white residue that almost looks like dandruff, but it's the easy edge control. This does happen sometimes when you use certain edge controls, so I'm gonna fix it by using this Manna Mood oil, and I'm gonna pretty much use it throughout my entire head. I'm gonna put it on my roots as well as the parts, and that should get rid of the residue that was left behind by the edge control. I'm gonna use this foam just to set my hair in place. I'm not gonna put it at my roots because I am natural and I don't want my hair to revert anymore or come out of the braid. And then I'm gonna seal the ends by dipping it in hot water. I don't know why, but every time I do braids, I feel the need to accessorize. So I'm gonna add this gold string to my hair. I'm only gonna add it on to 2 braids, so one on the left side and one on the right side. So I am finally done, you guys. It didn't take too long to do. I'm loving it, especially since I accessorized. This looks real good on me. Let me know what you guys think down below. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any comments, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe on your way out. See you guys next time.